Okay, so we've finished handling the missing data. So now we need to join our dataset with the store location information. So let's go ahead and import that store location. Remember, we already have the file here. We just need to save it. So we're gonna save it into this variable called location.df. We're gonna use the formula, the function from pandas, read Excel. We just need to type the name of the file. It's force dot and the extension dot xlsx. Okay, we are gonna go ahead, read it, and let's inspect what we have there. So let's look at the first 5 rows, and this method called dot head will give us that. And if we explore it, it's okay. Here in this location column, we have all of the different wholesalers, and we have the city, the coordinates, and the region. Perfect. Now, in our data frame, if we explore the first 5 rows, we have, yeah, the transactions. Yeah, sure, all of the transactions. And here we have another column called location. But okay, we can join this file in the location column with this one. Okay, we can actually merge them together. It's just that this column has uppercase location and this one has lowercase location, and we are gonna have to deal with that. Okay, so it's very simple. Let's go ahead and change the name of the location column name of the location df. So we're gonna say that location df, and we are going to rename. We're gonna say that the column called location, lowercase location, is now gonna be renamed to location, but in the first letter in uppercase. And we are going to save this. Okay, so we go ahead and this is now here. We go ahead, we run this, no errors, great. And let's explore now the first 5 rows and see if we manage to change the name. Okay, perfect. Now both columns have exactly the same name, and now we are ready to join them together. Okay, good. So now we're gonna say that df for data, full data frame is gonna be df. We're gonna use the merge function. Okay, merge function, and we want to merge our data frame df with location df, and we want to merge using which column? Well, the location with uppercase L. How? Well, we want to merge using the left version, which is equivalent to saying that, okay, use the location from the big file from df and not the and not merge the location of the small file. Okay, so we run this. That's it. Now let's explore the new file with the merge information. And now we should have, yes, each one of the transactions, we have the location, the wholesaler, but now we have the city in which it's located, the coordinates, and the region. And now we are ready to go ahead and finally answer the question that Lucian's manager made. And we will do that in the next video.